Jah Rastafari. I want to thank Jah for my two girls, Leah and Emily, and for all I have. Thank you, Jah. And on fire against the rabbi, sold out to the merchant ships. Meet atop the day to high from the bottomless pit of my hand was made strong, and the hand of the Almighty we follow in this generation triumphantly. So won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? Is all I ever have. Redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but that was self can free a woman. I'm no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. Our shall we kill our prophet? Oh, we stand aside and look. Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. So won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had. Redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. I'm no fear for atomic energy, 'cause none of them can stop the time. How long shall we kill our prophets? Oh, we stand aside and look. Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. So won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had. Redemption songs, redemption songs, redemption songs. Songs of freedom, songs of freedom.